Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we are going to talk about Genshin Impact Error Code 2203. The error reads, "You have not yet downloaded the resource package required to start the game. Please try again after you have downloaded the free add-on Genshin Impact Required Resource Package from the PlayStation Store." The error comes when players try to launch the game on PlayStation, but are blocked by a message asking them to download the resource package, even if it's already been installed. This issue is likely caused by a missing or bugged resource package or a system glitch. The first thing we suggest is to restart your PlayStation and make sure the first app you open after restarting is Genshin Impact. If the error still comes, and you still haven't downloaded the required resource packages, then go to the PlayStation Store and search for Genshin Impact. Then look for the required resource package in the add-ons. Then download it, and once it's installed, launch the game and see if the error still comes. If the error still persists, check if there's a new update available on the official PlayStation Store. If yes, then make sure it's downloaded and installed. Then check if this helps with the error. If the error still continues, go to Settings, then open Account Management and select Restore Licenses. Once done, try launching the game and check if this resolves the error. At last, if the error still persists, this could be a temporary bug. So wait for a few hours and try again. Then see if the error still comes. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.